me something. What do your nights feel like? Are they quiet? Are they heavy? Are they full of thoughts you didn't have time to feel during the day? For me, night is not just evening. It's a mirror. A slow, soft mirror that shows me who I really am. And tonight, I want to share that with you. My real night thoughts, the thoughts that help me grow, the thoughts that help me learn English, the thoughts that make me feel alive. So sit down, breathe. Let's spend this night together. The moment I close my laptop at night, something inside me goes quiet. The world outside keeps moving. Cars, people, messages, noise. But inside my room, there is peace. I stretch my arms slowly and whisper, "The day is over." And honestly, just saying those words feels like a relief. I walk to the window and the sky is turning dark blue, the kind of blue that makes you feel safe. A small voice in my mind says, "You survived today." And suddenly, everything softens. I stand there for a moment and let the silence hug me. Sometimes the best therapy is standing in the quiet and letting your thoughts breathe. When the world gets quiet, my mind finally speaks, not loudly, just honestly. Some nights I think, did I do enough today? Am I growing? Why do I feel tired even when I didn't do much? And other nights, I think softer thoughts. I'm proud of myself. I've changed a lot. I'm stronger now. Night thoughts are strange. They hurt sometimes, but they also heal. Because at night, we meet the version of ourselves we ignore during the day. And you know what? That version is beautiful. Raw, real, honest. After standing by the window, I make myself a warm cup of tea. Chamomile. Because chamomile tastes like peace. While the tea cools, I sit on the edge of my bed and talk to myself softly in English. I'm tired, but I'm proud. I learned something today. I'm still growing. These sentences sound simple, but they remind me that I exist and that I matter. I sip my tea and write in my journal. Not a full page, just a few lines. Something good today. Something I learned. Something I hope for tomorrow. Writing at night feels like talking to an older, wiser friend. A friend who listens without interrupting. Every night before the world sleeps, I ask myself 4 questions. 1. What made me smile today? 2. What hurt me today? 3. What did I learn today? 4. What do I want tomorrow? These questions help me understand my heart. Because life moves fast, and if you never pause, you never feel anything fully. Some nights the answers come easily. Other nights, I just stare at the page and let the silence answer for me. And that's okay. Silence is also an answer. Do you want to know a secret? The strongest thoughts come at night. When the lights are dim and the room is quiet and my heart finally stops pretending. I remember the people I miss. I remember the dreams I paused. I remember the mistakes that still hurt a little, but I also remember the victories. The small ones, the silent ones, the ones no one clapped for but still mattered. Some nights I sit on my bed, hug my pillow, and whisper, "You're doing your best. You're trying. You're still here." These sentences heal me. Maybe they will heal you too. Night is the perfect time to learn English. Why? Because your mind is slow, soft, open. I practice thinking in English by describing small moments. The tea is warm. My room is peaceful. I feel calm. Simple sentences, simple vocabulary, but powerful practice. If you want to think in English, do it at night. Not when your mind is busy, but when it's soft. Your brain learns more when your heart is quiet. Before sleep, I dim the lights until the room turns gold and soft. I sit for a moment and let my body relax. I whisper, "I'm thankful for today. I'm learning. I'm growing. I did enough." Even if the day was hard, even if I wasn't perfect, I still choose kindness. Because at night, you must be gentle with yourself. Life is tough enough. You don't have to be. Now listen. I don't know what kind of day you had. Maybe good. Maybe heavy. Maybe lonely. But I want you to know something. You did your best. Even if no one saw it. Even if no one said thank you. You still tried. And that matters, more than you think. Your English is improving. Your confidence is growing. Your heart is learning how to heal. You're doing better than you give yourself credit for. I'm proud of you. And I mean that. Before you sleep tonight, tell yourself 3 sentences. I'm safe. I'm learning. I'm enough. Say them slowly. Let your mind believe them. Because you deserve a peaceful night, a soft night, a night full of quiet hope. Close your eyes. Take a slow breath. And let this thought stay with you. Tomorrow is another chance to learn, to grow, to become stronger, to speak better English, to become the version of yourself you dream about. Thank you for spending this night with me. If this story made you feel calm, seen, or understood, leave a comment below and tell me, what's one thought you have tonight? I would love to read it. And if you want more calm English stories, night routines, and motivational lessons, subscribe to English Edge. We grow slowly. We learn softly. But we grow together. Good night, my friend. Sleep well. Your tomorrow is waiting for you.